humans have a fine balance between energy intake and energy expenditure. Energy intake refers to the food we eat. Energy expenditure is calorie burning. It depends on the basal or resting metabolic rate, physical activity, and body weight. With regard to physical activity, energy expenditure further varies depending on the frequency, intensity, and type of physical activity done. The difference between energy intake and energy expenditure is the net energy balance. If energy intake is more than the expenditure, it results in a net positive energy balance. You need to have a net negative energy balance to achieve weight loss. That is, energy expenditure must be more than the intake. When you have a honey-glazed donut, you are consuming about 300 kilocalories. This energy intake equals the amount of energy consumed when you walk for 30 to 60 minutes at 3 miles per hour. Continuing this type of activity every day can eventually lead to weight loss if extra calories are not consumed. The initial weight loss is a result of net negative energy expenditure. After this weight loss, if the same type of moderate walking is continued, the amount of weight loss experienced decreases. This often leaves a lot of people frustrated. Despite regular exercises, weight loss gradually reaches a plateau. This is due to the decreased basal metabolic rate, which happens as a result of the decrease in body weight. The basal metabolic rate is the amount of energy expended at rest in a neutral environment. At this point, if exercising is stopped, weight gain happens a lot quicker due to decreased metabolism. If the same exercise is continued without making any changes to the diet, a weight maintenance phase is achieved. The body is in a state of energy balance, where the energy intake essentially equals energy expenditure. To break out of this plateau, either energy intake must be decreased, or energy expenditure must be increased, or even both. That is, reducing calorie intake and increasing the frequency, intensity, and duration of exercise can once again put you at a net negative energy balance. Several other factors affect weight loss with exercise. The ability to exercise reduces as people age. Weight gain also increases with age. So, older people may find it a bit difficult to lose weight with exercise. Sleep deprivation is a big hurdle for weight loss. A lack of sleep can cause daytime fatigue, making you less motivated to exercise and more likely to be sedentary. You may expend fewer calories as a result. The relationship between stress and exercise is a two-way street. Exercising is one of the best ways to manage stress. At the same time, stress impacts exercise adoption, maintenance, and relapse. All of these can influence how much weight you lose with exercise. Other factors like medications, economics, gut microbiome composition, insulin sensitivity, and genetics can influence weight loss with exercise. The FTO gene is one of the most important genes that regulate body weight. It contains instructions for producing fat mass and obesity-associated protein. According to a study, people carrying a particular type of this gene experience more weight loss with exercise than the others. The ADRB2 gene influences how your body uses the stored fat, and in turn, your body weight. Certain types of this gene are associated with reduced lipolysis or fat burning. Thus, people who have these types of the ADRB2 gene may not lose much weight upon exercising. A simple genetic test can help you assess how your body responds to exercise. Most ancestry tests provide your DNA information in the form of a text file called the raw DNA data. This data may seem like Greek and Latin to you. We, at Xcode Life, can help you interpret this data. All you have to do is upload your raw data and order a gene fitness report. Xcode Life then analyzes your raw data in detail to provide you with comprehensive fitness analysis, including information on the weight-regulating genes.